Have you ever felt overwhelmed by emotions, fearing they might last forever? The truth is, nothing in life is permanent, neither pain nor joy. Everything changes, evolves, and fades over time. Understanding this can be your key to lasting inner peace. The more we accept impermanence, the less we suffer. Let's explore how embracing this mindset can transform your life. Pain and difficulties won't last forever. When you're going through a tough time, it might feel like the pain will never end. Your struggles, heartbreaks, and disappointments can seem overwhelming, making you believe that life will always be this hard. But just like the seasons change, so do our circumstances. Nothing remains the same forever, not even the worst days. Every experience, no matter how painful, eventually fades with time. Accepting this truth can help you endure hardships with greater patience and resilience. Example: think about a time when you lost someone, failed an exam, or faced rejection. It felt unbearable in the moment, but as weeks and months passed, the intensity of the pain lessened. You healed, learned, and moved forward, proving that emotions evolve and affect ADE. Happiness is fleeting, so cherish it. Just as pain is temporary, so is happiness. No matter how joyful a moment is, it will eventually pass. This is why it's important to live in the present and cherish every good experience. Instead of fearing the end of happiness, embrace it while it lasts. Appreciate the small things, a kind word, a beautiful sunset, a deep conversation. The key to true contentment is not holding on to happiness but learning to enjoy it fully while it's here. Example: imagine going on a dream vacation. You feel excited, free, and alive. But eventually, the trip ends and you return to your routine. Instead of feeling sad that it's over, remind yourself that the memories and experiences stay with you forever. Life is a series of moments, and appreciating them makes all the difference. Letting go becomes easier. Most of our suffering comes from attachment to people, memories, success, or even pain. We hold on to things because we fear change. But when you realize that everything is temporary, letting go becomes easier. You stop resisting life's natural flow and start embracing change instead of fearing it. Whether it's the end of a relationship, the loss of a job, or the fading of an old friendship, trust that something new will take its place. Example: think about trees in autumn. They don't resist losing their leaves, they let them fall, knowing that spring will bring new growth. We can learn to let go in the same way, understanding that change is a natural part of life. Fear of the future reduces. Many of our worries stem from the fear of the unknown. What if things go wrong? What if I fail? What if I lose what I have? But when you deeply understand that everything is temporary, you realize that nothing is ever truly permanent, even failure or success. You stop obsessing over what might happen and start focusing on what you can control. Instead of resisting change, you welcome it with an open mind. Example: imagine someone losing a job they loved. At first, it feels devastating. But over time, they find a better opportunity, something they never expected. What seemed like an ending turned out to be a new beginning. Life always moves forward. You find inner peace. The biggest benefit of accepting impermanence is inner peace. When you stop clinging to things and embrace life's natural changes, you feel lighter. You understand that no feeling, good or bad, will last forever. This realization allows you to live with more gratitude, patience, and acceptance. You stop fighting reality and start flowing with it. True peace comes when you let go of the need for control and trust that life will unfold as it should. Example: Buddhist monks practice detachment by meditating on impermanence. They know that every joy and sorrow will pass, so they don't cling to either. This mindset helps them stay calm and content, no matter what happens.